8 tips to build the perfect V-taper physique, spending only 5 minutes a day. Chris Hemsworth as Thor, Henry Cavill as Superman, Zac Efron in Baywatch, Daniel Craig as James Bond. All these men have one thing in common. They landed the roles of superheroes and the coolest guys on the planet precisely because of this V-shaped physique, broad shoulders tapering down to a narrow waist. And here are the exercises to build that same inverted triangle, without living in the gym. First, and this is the key exercise of the entire video, dumbbell lateral raises. It's your side delts that make your shoulders wide and push your V out to the sides. And here's why it's a cheat code. Studies show lateral raises produce over 140% activation of the side delt. No other exercise even comes close. Grab 2 dumbbells, or if you don't have any, 2 water bottles, and raise your arms out to the sides up to shoulder level. 3 to 5 sets of 10 to 15, every day or every other day. That right there is your main 5-minute session. Second, pull-ups or rows. If your delts give you shoulder width, your lats give you back width. Those wings that make a t-shirt fit like a glove. No pull-up bar at home? Buy a resistance band or do lat pull-downs at the gym. Life hack. Alternate between wide, underhand and neutral grips. That way, you hit your back from every angle and it grows wider. Third, resistance band face pulls. This exercise pulls your shoulders back and opens up your chest. And the best part, it makes you look wider and taller today, before your muscles even grow, simply because it fixes your slouch. 1 minute with a band, and you're already standing like a superhero, not like a question mark. 4. Know your target, the golden ratio. The V-taper isn't by eye, it's math, the kind ancient Greek sculptors figured out. The ideal ratio is shoulders 1.6 times wider than the waist. Measure both with a tape and you'll have a clear goal you're moving toward, instead of a vague, I want wider shoulders. 5th, narrow your waist, because that's half of the whole V. Here's what most people don't get. The triangle has 2 sides. You can build bolder shoulders, but as long as there's fat on your belly, there'll be no V, there'll be a square. A slight calorie deficit, less sugar and fast food, and your waist narrows, while your shoulders look even wider against it. The top and bottom work as a pair. 6. Don't overbuild your sides with heavy weights. A paradox that wrecks a lot of guys' silhouettes. If you hammer out side bends with a heavy dumbbell, your oblique muscles thicken and your waist gets wider and more square. You can and should train your abs, but drop the weighted side bends if you want a narrow waist, not a block. 7. Posture and a drawn-in stomach add V for free. Before you build a single gram of muscle, you can already look wider. Roll your shoulders back, drop them away from your ears, pull your stomach in slightly, and your silhouette instantly turns triangular. It's not a trick, it's how you carry what you already have. A slouched athlete loses to an upright average guy. 8. Consistency beats heroics. A visible V-taper, done consistently, shows up in 16 to 20 weeks. Sounds long? But the secret is exactly in those 5 minutes. A short daily set gives you more total weekly volume than one killer workout that leaves you unable to lift your arms for 3 days and quitting the whole thing within a month. Delts love frequency. That's why small daily doses beat rare marathons. So, train the side delts and back for 5 minutes a day. Keep your waist lean and carry yourself with good posture. And in a few months, the mirror will show that same triangle Hercules had in mythology. Drop a comment telling me which exercise you'll start with today, and subscribe. There are plenty more upgrades for your look coming.